All right, welcome back to Better Kansas City. If you want your room to look pulled together and polished just in time for spring, try a, I'm going to pronounce this wrong, but I have someone here to help me. Is it a vignette cluster, a vignette cluster?
Either is correct,
okay.
Actually, Bill.
Well, good. Well,
Great
here
job.
to show us now and to help me more out with my pronunciation and reading the teleprompter and how to put one together is designer Cara, Massie. Welcome. This is your first time on Better Kansas City. So
it's my first time.
So excited to have you here. You've got a lot of cool stuff put out here. And truth be told, she loved the Fat Tuesday tie, so I had to go put it back on.
I do. I appreciate that you've coordinated with my shirt this morning.
Yes.
And I'm so excited to be here. Thank you for having me.
So first of all, what is the vignette? Or again, did I say it right? Vignette, vignette?
Either one is
fine.
correct,
okay,
right? So a vignette, when we're talking about home interiors, is really just a collection of small home decor items that you cluster together to tell a story.
Oh, okay.
So since Mother Nature is not bringing us spring,
True.
I think we're just gonna need to create that in our own home.
We have several neat examples here, and if you just want to start with one here and we kind of work down the line?
Sure.
Of what your idea was behind it?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm here to kind of show you how to stage a three-tiered tray, but I brought a couple of examples in case you don't have one of those at home. This is how you could just stage up a flat tray, and if you have a cake stand, here was an example, but for today's purpose, three-tiered tray, right?
And I almost get, just for me, and again, I'm not the smartest when it comes to home decorating and stuff, I get like an Easter vibe off of it because you kind of got the rabbit over here, you kind of got some Easter eggs that's like set up here. Is that what you're going for?
Absolutely. I'm really hoping to kind of start, I mean, it's Mardi Gras, it starts to feel like spring, and I'm hoping to just transition right into the Easter season with some decor.
Okay, now once you kind of get your idea and you kind of get started and put them together, how do you decide where to go ahead and showcase this in your home, or should that be one of the first things you decide upon?
The thing that I love about creating a vignette is that it is so incredibly versatile and that you can really put it wherever you want it. So this little guy, once I have him all properly staged, I would put him probably on a dining room centerpiece or a kitchen island would be fantastic, but there's no wrong answer. Yeah,
and then like some of these pieces would look nice, like maybe at an entry table or something like that. When you walk in, it has the nice, like an outdoor light or lantern, or whatever you want to call it. Yeah,
absolutely.
Really nice.
Yeah.
Now, where did a lot of these things come from? Now, granted, you talked about, we'll have a cake stand at our house normally, but some of the other greenery, some of the little bird designs, where did you get those from?
Sure, great question. I shop everywhere, and I'm not afraid to snag a good thrift store find when I find one, but I'm really committed to supporting small business in Kansas City, and a lot of the items today came from Thorny Creek Market in Smithville and Nell Hills, which are both amazing home decor boutiques in the Kansas City area.
Well, very neat. And I know you guys have some events coming up for your shop. Can you kind of talk about those?
Absolutely. So next Thursday, I will be at Thorny Creek Market in downtown Smithville talking about spring and how to get your home looking really fresh for the spring season.
Awesome.
And then next Friday, I will be doing a Facebook Live with Katie Laffridge, the new owner of Nell Hill.
Very cool. And also, let's talk down here again about the flowers in the vase. Or what type of flowers do you have over there?
Oh, I love these. So these are hydrangea, and Bill, I just picked these up at Sam's Club yesterday.
Oh, really?
So
they still look great.
I know, don't they look great? Sam's Club has actually a great selection, and the thing that I love about hydrangea is that it is really foolproof. It is so easy to work with. It doesn't require a lot of design capacity. You can just clip them and stick them in there, and you've got instant bouquet.
Awesome, and it looks very nice. And again, are these just flatware that you already had around the house?
Flatware that I have. I actually mixed some gingham pieces that I found this season, and then I mixed them in with my grandma's dishes.
I've noticed that this style with the blue is really coming back now.
It's really popular.
And it's really hard to come by. But then again, it's something that my grandparents had too. But now I got to go dig through the boxes, see if I can find it again. It's
so lovely, and it's so nice really to just bring in some heirloom pieces like that and put your own family touch in your decor.
Okay, well, Cara, we do appreciate your time today. I think you did a great job for your first time here in Better Kansas City.
Thanks for having me. It was a blast.
Hope you come back again with more fun DIY designs for your house. Belinda?